Hi everybody, this is Mike Broadwater, Assistant Superintendent, Forest Hills, overseeing business operations and human resources. What we wanted to do in this video is show our staff as well as parents and anybody else who may have an interest in kind of what we're doing in the classrooms to sanitize as well as clean on a daily basis. And so we wanted to kind of show you the products. We spent a lot of time over the summer researching. Our maintenance department, Dean Tibbe and Larry Corley, especially have done a very good job of ordering the supplies that we need. And so what I want to do is turn that over to them, explain what each classroom is going to have on a daily basis, but then also what each classroom is going to see in the evening and how we're going to sanitize the classrooms. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to Dean and let him talk.
Hi everybody. Just want to touch base and talk to you about the products that we have here for the teachers, and they're set up in every classroom. We have a product that's called Renegade. It's made by Navigator, has a 3-minute kill time. This will be in every classroom along with a microfiber rag if the teacher needs to disinfect or wipe off any desk or anything that needs to be cleaned or sanitized. They also have hand sanitizer provided with them or for them. We also, during the nighttime, our custodians will be cleaning all the classrooms and disinfecting again. They will be using a product called pH7Q Dual or Ultra. It is a disinfectant product and cleaner that does both in one step. And all of our products that we have are one-step products. It can be sprayed on and it can be left on to dry. It can be wiped off. So there's 2 different ways that they can be used. We also purchased a product in case that we have an outbreak of COVID, or we have an area that we want to sanitize. We have a Clorox 360 machine. Is an electrostatic fogger. Somebody will come in, a custodian, or maintenance staff, and they're going to come into a classroom and they're going to spray up and down, side to side, and the electrostatic fogger, the chemicals will actually attract to anything that you're come in contact with, the desks, the chairs, and it'll wrap around and instantly encapsulate the items in the desk. We also have another product that we're using. It's made by Becco. It's Glybet 3. It is a disinfectant. It has a 5-minute kill time. This product will be used in the restrooms during the day. Could be used in hallways. Could be used in classrooms on door handles, just to do a quick spray once kids come into the building and we need to do a little quick disinfecting. Those are some of the products that we're using. I'd like to also let you know that the products that we are using, especially the pH7Q, we've been using for years, and they are registered COVID-19 killers. We've used them for several years in the school district, and we're going to continue to use them. Thank you.
Thanks, Dave. So as you can tell, there's been a lot of thought put into it over the summer on how we're going to disinfect the classrooms throughout the day and then in the evening as well. That also means restrooms, that also means playground equipment. So our maintenance department, and Dean especially, I think you can tell he's developed an expertise on what we need and has done a great job of ordering. What I want to end with for classroom teachers and for parents, during the day, you do have the disinfectant, the microfiber towel to wipe down any horizontal surfaces if you feel you need to do that. I think it's important if you have a sink in your classroom, any student that may be entering after leaving to go to the restroom or go somewhere else, go to the office, whatever, probably would make sense for them to wash. You've got masks, you've got washing, and just making sure that we're attentive to what's going on in the classroom as kids are going in and out. The microfiber towels as well as gloves that are provided will be rotated out on a nightly basis. If it is being used, we will make sure they're clean on a nightly basis. So I hope this kind of informs you of what we have thought throughout the summer, what we're going to do in the classrooms during the day and in the evening. And we hope that helps all of you as we come back for the 2020-2021 school year. Thanks, and have a great year.